Hi, Steve. Yeah, now what I was doing, I was just playing around to see what would work best. I think if you put the logo and the tagline on one logo and tagline its own separate line, and the menu bar below it, you're going to have a lot more room to work with. So let's just take a couple, look at a few tweaks to make this look a little bit tidier, right? We're going to first of all go into your page. So go into start with your index page. Go down to about line 86 or so, 85, and you see. Let's switch this over to a column, small, and make it 12. It was column large 4. So make it column SM instead of LG, make it SM. Instead of 4, make it 12. Okay. Scroll on down until you get to the primary horizontal nav bar. Same thing. Change LG to SM and 8, make that 12. Okay. The reason I'm saying large to small is because we want to retain that same proportion for tablet, in portrait, and landscape and desktop, and that's what small will do. If you use large, it's only going to retain it in desktop. Then when you go to a tablet, it's going to put it all into one line. So do that. Okay, so we'll save that right on our test page here, and this is what we get. But we have too much room down here. Right, so let's take a look at the primary tagline and the space below it, and see if we can make a bit of a difference here. Right, and this may be the nav bar that's part of the thing right here. Let's I'm just using Firebug here to sort of see where if we have paddings and margins and that sort of a thing. There it is right there. Okay. Styles, see that? Header large. Top is 40. Styles 540. So we're going to go to our styles 540 and scroll all the way down to 540-ish or so. Header large changes to 0. Okay, and let's save that. And refresh it. There we go, a little bit better. And the next thing we need to do here is with the tagline is there's an extra 20 pixels or more of padding on the bottom, which we should probably get rid of to tighten things up a little bit. So styles 133, we already got that open. Let's just tweak that for the tagline. So here's the margin right here. 0, 0, 20, and 30. 20 is the bottom, so change that to 0 now because we've repositioned it. And refresh the page. Yeah, oh, it's really tightened up. So maybe 20 was a little bit too much. Maybe we need to give it a little bit of padding, like 5. Let's try that out. Anyways, you can play around with that until you're happy with that. There we go, something like that. And perhaps below the nav bar here, maybe we want to add a little something else, a little something to it, right? So there's our primary nav bar. I'm just trying to find out where we have a nav bar. Oh, there's the header. Okay, large. Let's do a margin bottom. So let's go back to 540. Let's put a bottom margin on that and see if it actually does anything. Okay, so margin top 0. Let's just copy and paste that. Make this margin bottom, and let's make this. It was 40. Let's make it 30 pixels and just see. Usually with me, I got to play around with a bunch of different things. There we go. There you go. So now it's not jammed up against the menu bar. So that looks tidier. It's full width, and away we go. And then when we snap up here, you see how it goes full width up here? Then you have room up here, which is going to be okay. It's just down here you don't, right? So once it snaps up to the top, then you should be good to go there.